Have you ever fixed a problem only to see it come back again? That's because you didn't solve the root cause. In today's video, we're going deep into root cause analysis, what it is, the most effective techniques and tools, and how to use them to permanently eliminate problems in your processes. Whether you work in manufacturing, healthcare, IT, or any other industry, mastering RCA can save you time, money, and frustration. So let's dive in. Section 1. What is root cause analysis? Root cause analysis is a structured method for finding the underlying reason a problem happens, not just the obvious symptom. Think of it like a doctor diagnosing an illness. You don't just treat the headache, you find out what's causing it. Key points. Symptom is what you see. Root cause is the hidden source. Solution is action to remove the root cause so the problem never comes back. Section 2. Why root cause analysis matters. When problems keep coming back, they cost your organization money, time, and credibility. This is how RCA helps you. 1. Prevent recurrence instead of firefighting. 2. Improve quality and reduce defects. 3. Save resources by solving it once, not multiple times. 4. Boost safety by preventing accidents at the source. Section 3. Common root cause analysis techniques and tools. Let's talk about the most effective RCA tools. Each has its strengths. The trick is knowing which one to use. 1. 5 whys. Simple but powerful. Keep asking why until you reach the true cause. Best for simple, single problem cases. Example: why did the machine stop? Why was there an overload? Why was there no lubrication? 2. Fishbone diagram, Ishikawa diagram. Great for brainstorming multiple possible causes. Categories like man, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. 3. Fault tree analysis, FTA. Visual diagram showing how different failures contribute to the problem, common in engineering and safety-critical industries. 4. Pareto analysis, 80-20 rule. Identify which causes have the biggest impact so you fix the most important ones first. 5. Failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA. Proactively spot potential failures before they happen. Prioritize based on severity, occurrence, and detection. 6. Scatter diagrams. Analyze the relationship between two variables to see if one might be causing the other. Section 4. Step-by-step, how to do root cause analysis the best way. Step 1. Define the problem clearly. Be specific. Instead of poor quality, say 10% increase in defect rate in line 2 over the last month. Step 2. Gather data and evidence. Collect facts, not opinions. Use process data, logs, inspection results, and photos. Step 3. Map the process. Use process flowcharts or value stream maps to understand where the issue happens. Step 4. Identify possible causes. Brainstorm with the team using fishbone diagrams, checklists, or process observations. Step 5. Narrow down to the root cause. Use 5 whys or other analysis tools to dig deeper. Verify the cause with data, not assumptions. Step 6. Develop and implement solutions. Focus on solutions that remove the root cause, not just the symptoms. Involve people who work directly in the process. Step 7. Verify effectiveness. Monitor results over time to ensure the problem doesn't return. Step 8. Standardize the solution. Update procedures, training, and documentation so the fix becomes the new normal. Section 5. Best practices and common mistakes to avoid. Do's. Involve the people closest to the work. They often know more than managers. Use data to back up conclusions. Keep asking why until you can't go any further. Be open-minded. Sometimes the cause isn't where you expect. Don'ts. Don't stop at the first cause you find. Don't assign blame. RCA is about processes, not people. Don't skip verification. Your solution may not work. Section 6. Real-world example. Let's say a company notices a spike in customer complaints about late deliveries. Step 1. Problem. Delivery delays increased by 15% in the last quarter. Step 2. Data. Most delays are from one warehouse. Step 3. Process map. Shows bottleneck in order picking. Step 4. Possible causes. Staff shortage, system downtime, inaccurate inventory. Step 5. 5 whys reveal the main issue. The order picking system crashes due to outdated software. Step 6. Solution. Upgrade and maintain software, plus staff training. Step 7. Monitor. Delivery times return to normal. Step 8. Standardize. IT maintenance schedule is implemented. Section 7. Final takeaway. Root cause analysis is more than just a problem-solving tool. It's a mindset. By focusing on the real cause instead of quick fixes, you build stronger processes, happier customers, and a more successful organization. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Lean Six Sigma and process improvement tips, and share it with your team. And remember, fix it once, fix it right.